If you're broke right now, this video is not here to shame you. It's here to wake you up. Because being broke is hard. But staying broke because nobody ever taught you what to do with money is even harder. Today, I'm going to give you 5 things you need to do right now if you're broke, struggling, behind on bills, or tired of living paycheck to paycheck. And listen carefully. These 5 steps are simple, but they are not always easy. The first thing I want you to understand is this. Being broke does not mean you are a bad person. Sometimes life hits hard. Sometimes the job does not pay enough. Sometimes emergencies happen. Sometimes family responsibilities pile up. But here is the truth. Even when life is unfair, you still need a plan. Because money without a plan disappears. A paycheck without direction gets spent. And a person without discipline can make more money and still stay broke. Number 1, stop the bleeding first. Before you try to fix everything, you need to stop the money from leaking out. A lot of people say, "I need more money," and maybe you do. But sometimes the first problem is not income. Sometimes the first problem is the small spending that keeps draining you every single week. Fast food, extra snacks, gas station spending, convenience purchases, subscriptions, random Amazon orders, things you don't need but keep buying because they make you feel better for a moment. That moment of comfort can become a month of stress. So before you say, "I'm broke," ask yourself, where is my money leaking? Here's what you do today. Go through your last 7 days of spending. Not last year, not last month, just the last 7 days. Look at every dollar that left your account. Circle anything that was not necessary. That is your leak. And for the next 30 days, cut the extras. Not forever, just long enough to breathe again. Number 2, write down every bill. You cannot fix what you refuse to face. A lot of people are stressed about money, but they have never sat down and written the real numbers on paper. They know they are behind. They know money is tight, but they don't know exactly how much they owe when it is due or what has to be paid first. That creates fear, and fear makes people avoid the truth. But when you write it down, the monster gets smaller. Write down your rent or mortgage, lights, water, phone, car payment, insurance, gas, food, debt payments, childcare. Anything that takes money from your house. Put it all on paper. Do not guess. Do not keep it all in your head. Your head is for thinking. Your paper is for tracking. Once you write down your bills, you will see 3 things clearly. What must be paid now, what can wait, and what needs to be changed. That one step can lower your stress because now you are not fighting shadows. You are dealing with facts. Number 3, know your real income. Not what you wish you made. Not what you made during overtime season, not what you hope will come in next month. What actually comes into your house every payday? This matters because many people build their life around money they do not really have. They make plans based on the best-case scenario instead of the real number. If your check is $18.65, you cannot budget like it is $19.20. If your monthly income is $37.30, you cannot keep living like $38.40 is coming. That gap is where stress lives. Here is the action step. Write down your last 2 paychecks, then write down your average monthly income. If your income changes, use the lowest realistic number, not the highest. That way, when extra money comes in, it becomes a blessing, not something you already spent in your mind. You need to know what you are working with before you decide what you can do. Number 4, create a payday plan before payday. This is where a lot of people mess up. They get paid first, then decide what to do with the money. That is backwards. Before payday comes, you should already know where the money is going. How much goes to rent? How much goes to food? How much goes to gas? How much goes to bills and debt? How much goes to savings? Every dollar needs a job before it hits your account. Because if your money does not have a job, your emotions will give it one. And emotions are expensive. Let's say your paycheck is $900. Before payday, you write $400 for rent, $150 for food, $100 for gas, $150 for utilities, $50 for phone, $50 for emergency savings. Now you know the truth before the money comes. You may not like the numbers, but at least now you are in control. A plan does not make you rich overnight, but it keeps you from being careless with the little you do have. Number 5, take care of the 4 walls first. The 4 walls are simple. Food, shelter, utilities, transportation. That means your first money goes to keeping your family fed, keeping a roof over your head, keeping the lights on, and keeping transportation so you can work. Not clothes, not entertainment, not eating out, not trying to impress people. When money is tight, priorities matter. You do not pay for wants before needs. You do not fund comfort before survival. You do not protect your image while your household is struggling. Take care of home first. Now let me ask you something. Which one of these 5 do you need to work on first? Do you need to stop the spending leaks, write down your bills, know your real income, create a payday plan, or protect the 4 walls? Drop your answer in the comments. Listen, being broke may be part of your current situation, but it does not have to be your permanent identity. Start with these 5 steps. Stop the bleeding. Write down every bill. Know your real income. Plan before payday. Protect the 4 walls. Do that consistently and you will start taking control again. This is Better Money Habits. 1, 1, 1. 1 for the Father, 1 for the Son, and 1 for the Holy Ghost. Subscribe for more practical money wisdom that can help you and your family build a better future. Thanks for watching.